एंड वेलकम टू फूडस्केप्स। ढाबे का खाना खाना है पर ढाबे पर जा नहीं सकते? नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम। टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू कुक सम यमी ढाबे वाला खाना। कौन सा है ये डिश? चिकन इन ढाबा स्टाइल। लेट्स हैव अ लुक हाउ टू कुक दिस। About 1 kg 20 grams of chicken for अपना ढाबा स्टाइल चिकन. I have used chicken with bone. You can use boneless as well, but chicken with bone में taste और अच्छा आता है. And extremely simple marination. Marinate करके हमें इसे half an hour तक रखना है. So let's go for the marination now. Okay, so like I said, it's an extremely simple marination. I have a half lemon with me. Just going to squeeze this into the chicken. I'm going to add about half a spoon of salt, 1 spoon of red chili powder, and half a spoon of turmeric. That's it. We just need to give this a good mix and allow it to marinate for the next half an hour. Alright, so we have put the pan on heat. In goes a bit of oil. This is about 2 tablespoons of oil. Now the chicken has been marinating for the last half an hour. What we have to do is, we don't need to completely cook this, but this needs to be cooked half. What we'll do is, one by one, we'll just shallow fry these pieces in the pan. We allow them to get roasted on both the sides. Seven to 8 minutes on each side. So that's approximately 15 minutes. Look at the color. Beautiful golden brown. Make sure you don't cover it with a lid while frying this. Otherwise, the chicken is going to let out all the water. So you have to fry this. We'll allow this side to cook again for another 5 to 7 minutes. And then we'll put the second lot of chicken into the pan. So this has been cooking for the last 5 to 7 minutes. Like I said, we don't have to cook this completely. So it's time for us to take them aside. Put them in a plate. Okay, so it's time for us to put the second lot of chicken inside. We are done now. We'll let this cook for another 7 to 8 minutes, roasting on both the sides, and we'll remove them in a plate, and then we'll start with the gravy. Okay, so in goes some jeera. We'll allow this to fry. I have used 2 medium-sized chopped onions. So in goes the onion. We have to fry the onion nice and golden. We don't have to burn it, of course, because there's still quite a few ingredients to go inside. Alright, so the onion has become translucent. It's time for us to add some chopped garlic. This is approximately 2.5 teaspoons of chopped garlic. We'll also add ginger. That's finely chopped again, approximately 1.5 teaspoons. Give this a good mix. We'll cook this again until the raw smell of ginger and garlic goes away. Alright, so this has been now getting roasted for quite some time. It's time for us now to add finely chopped tomatoes. 2 medium-sized tomatoes I've used over here. good mix. And now while the tomatoes are getting cooked, it's also time for us to add the rest of the spices. This is Kashmiri Lal Mirch. So I'm going to use 2 teaspoons of that. This garam masala powder. Again, 2 teaspoons of that. This is some chicken curry powder. We'll give this a good mix. Okay, while this is cooking, it's time for us to add just a bit of water. So this is about 2 tablespoons of water, so that सारा मसाला अच्छे से इकट्ठा हो जाए. Remember, we have still not added salt to this. Look at that. Just add a bit of more water. Okay, in goes 1 teaspoon of salt. And I have over here, this is amchur powder or dry mango powder. So I'm going to use that. It gives a beautiful flavor to the dish. If you notice, we have not used any paste in this. Everything is chopped. So that will give a good texture to the gravy. Lastly, I'm also adding kasuri methi. I'm not going to crush them. I'm just going to add these leaves as it is. This again will enhance the flavor of your dish. Now we'll cook this for another minute or 2 before we add chicken to this. Okay, so it's time for this chicken to go in the kadai. Along with this, the juice as well, all of it. Now we're going to give this a good mix. All the chicken is coated with the masala. Now what we'll do is we'll add a cup of water to this. We'll cover it with a lid and we'll allow this to cook for the next 10 minutes. Okay, let's have a look. It's been cooking for the last 10 minutes. Look at that. Amazing. You know, I wish you guys could actually feel the fragrance of this dish. And since we had already cooked the chicken earlier, we don't need to cook it for a long time. You can also add a bit of fresh cream towards the end, just to give it a nice texture and thickness to the gravy. Alright, so we'll garnish this with fresh coriander and it's time for us to do the plating. Cook this and let me know your feedback in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe, like and share Foodscapes. Until we meet again, see you all.